Ingeteam Power Technology. Power Grid Automation. Tutorials. Topic: Goose Subscription. In this video, we will learn how to configure a Goose subscription of an IED with the Energy Factory Suite tool. For that, we will first open the POC Factory application, where we will first establish an FTP connection to the IED to later send the modifications. To access the Goose subscription window, we will click on the IEC 61850 server tag. There, a green icon with 4 inwards pointed arrows will be available, the Goose and SMV subscription button. After clicking on it, we will select the Goose subscription configurator option. This window has 3 tabs available in the top left corner, along with several variable buttons in the right hand. To configure a Goose subscription, we will first need to add a GSE control block. With this button, all the available Goose publications in the installation will be shown to the user. Once a publication has been selected, a Goose Monitoring Logical Node, LGOS, will need to be assigned to the GSE control block. The second tab, Data Binding, will let us select which data contained in the Goose will be dumped to the subscribing IED's model. On the right hand, with a white background, the data published in the Goose will be displayed. On the left hand, the subscribing IED's IEC 61850 model will be shown. To assign where the published data will be saved in the receiving end's model, the IED's model data can be dragged and dropped into the table on the right. For this subscription, the predefined Goose Data Logical Node, GOOGGIO, has been used. Nonetheless, other model data can also be used as a vessel for the publication's information. Prior to saving the modifications, the buttons on the right let us check if there are any errors, such as data type incompatibilities and so. Once the subscription has been configured, the IPRV node's parameters need to be checked. On the second tab of the IPRV node configuration window, Goose's configuration, the Goose emitting and receiving network interfaces can be chosen, along with the VLAN tag activation parameter. The first parameter, the Goose emitting and receiving interfaces, lets the user choose between the following 4 options. Only ETH1 enabled for both. Only ETH2 enabled for both. Reception on both. Publication on ETH1 as default. Reception on both. Publication on ETH2 as default. In this case, Goose subscription will be enabled for both network interfaces, but publication will be set from ETH2 as a default. Additionally, the VLAN tag will be disabled. With all the configurations done, the CID can be sent to the IED. Now, let's check how the IED is subscribed to the Goose published in the installation. For that, we will access the web server of the subscribed IED. In the IEC 61850 Data tab, the list of the Goose subscriptions and their status can be monitored. In this case, a single and functioning Goose subscription can be seen. Finally, we now know how to configure a Goose subscription of an IED with the Energy Factory Suite tool.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.